Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create amazing videos using Google Vids, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to Google Vids. As soon as you open it, Google Vids will create a new project for you. Here you will see different options like starting from scratch, using templates, or converting slides into a video. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank project so you can understand everything clearly. Now let's look at the interface. At the top, you have the main menu and editing tools where you control the whole project. In the center is the canvas, which is your main working area where the video is created. On the right side, you will find tools like text, images, videos, stock assets, and more. At the bottom, there is the timeline where all your scenes are arranged and edited. Now let's create our first scene. Click on the text option from the right side and add a title. I'm going to type "My Video Project" here. You can change the font, make it bold, and adjust the position to make it look clean and centered. Next, let's add a background. Go to the stock section and search for any video that matches your topic. Once you find a suitable clip, just add it to your canvas and send it to the back so your text stays visible on top. Now, to improve readability, add a shape behind the text. Adjust its transparency so the background is still visible, but the text stands out clearly. This is a simple trick that makes your video look more professional. Now let's add some animations. Click on your text or shape, then choose the animation option and apply a simple fade-in effect. Keep the duration short for a smooth and clean look. Next, let's talk about transitions. When you have multiple scenes, you can add transitions between them. Just click between two scenes and choose a simple effect like dissolve to make your video flow smoothly. Now, another powerful feature inside Google Vids is AI generation. You can create images using Nano Banana and generate short video clips using Veo. Simply type what you want, like a background, a scene, or any visual, and the AI will generate it for you. This is really useful when you don't have your own footage or can't find the right stock content. You can also record your screen or camera directly inside Google Vids. This is very useful for tutorials. You can even use a teleprompter while recording so you can easily follow your script. After that, let's add background music. You can choose from stock music or generate your own using AI. Make sure the volume is balanced so it doesn't overpower your voice. You can also enable audio ducking, so the music automatically lowers when someone is speaking. Now don't forget captions. Just click on the captions option and apply them to the whole video. This makes your video more engaging and accessible for everyone. Finally, once everything is done, you can export your video. You can download it as an MP4 file, save it to Google Drive, or directly upload it to YouTube. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional video using Google Vids. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. See you in the next one.